Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're looking at the second beta version of One UI 2.0 running on Android 10 for the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. This is for the US. The betas are a little bit off because they had a second beta release come out in other countries, but that was the first beta release for the USA. This is the second one for the USA that came out on the 25th of November. It is version ZSKH. That's the last four of the version number. Here are the bug fixes right here. They fixed some stuff with the screen flickering, some home button issues, some status bar issues, AOD not appearing while it was charging, some keyboard issues where the keyboard was cut off or can't be resized. Now, I did not experience all these issues on my device. I really didn't experience any issues on my device, actually. But there are some major things that they did fix. It was a 550 megabyte update. They improved the gesture interaction and fixed some issues with that. So if you were having gesture issues, which is one I heard about a lot, where gestures were crashing, the settings app when you enabled them, or certain apps were not working with gestures, that should be fixed at least partially right now. So try it again if you were trying to enable the gestures. If you're one of those people that commented on my previous video that were having issues, ask or let me know down below if you guys have that fixed, if you can enable it. I did not have any issues enabling mine, so I've been using gestures. I did change the gestures back right now because I have the bars are coming up for the Google Assistant that is implemented now, and I really don't like those. They kind of pop up every time you close an app. Hope those go away, or hope we can turn them off. Definitely a feature that I'd like to see is an option for turning those on or off, because I don't need them there. I don't use Google Assistant or anything like that. I'll show you what I mean real quick. If we go to the display settings and we go down to the navigation bar and turn on the full screen gestures, when I swipe home, you'll see the little tabs come up there and then they will go away. It's just one of those things I don't use, so it's kind of annoying to see them pop up and go away, pop up and go away. It just gets annoying after a while. I know they're not that big of a deal. They don't really interfere with anything, but it's just one of those things that bothers me. So right now I am using the old school button gestures, which I know a lot of people prefer anyway. A lot of people prefer buttons, a lot of people prefer the gestures. There's a whole, it's like iPhone and Android, same group of people. Gestures versus home button, stuff like that. So I'm using the home button right now for that reason. Battery life on the beta has been just fine. Again, no real increase or no real loss that I've noticed. Everything's running smoothly. Apps seem to be running a little bit smoother on here. Less lag, less stutter, stuff like that. Just the overall beta improvements and those bug fixes that I mentioned before. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you see any new issues or any fixes that you were having to problems that I did not mention, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below so everybody else can see what's going on. As always, Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.